And shifting focus to stories of India in news this week, Indian mutual fund industry has now crossed a new milestone in November with assets under management or AUMs surpassing 80 lakh crore rupees. The growth is driven by strong inflows in the equity-oriented schemes. Data from Association of Mutual Funds in India or AMFI show that the debt funds saw net outflows of nearly 26,000 crore rupees. Equity fund inflows were up 21% from October to almost 30,000 crore rupees. Overall, the industry has recorded net inflows of over 32,700 crore rupees, pushing the total AUM to 80 lakh crore rupees. According to AMFI Chief Executive, the equity schemes along with hybrid and passive funds continue to drive growth. He highlighted that multi-asset and arbitrage funds accounted for more than 70% of hybrid fund flows. Systematic investment plans or SIPs saw a slight dip to 29,445 crore, largely due to the last day of November falling in fact on a Sunday, and the SIP AUM stood at 16.53 lakh crore rupees, representing about 20% of the total AUM industry. Among equity schemes, flexi-cap funds remain top contributor, while large-cap, mid-cap, small-cap funds also saw healthy inflows. Analysts say that investors are favoring growth-oriented and diversified funds with mid and small cap segments offering strong long-term compounding potential. In the debt segment, investors rotated towards high-yielding, low-volatility funds, while index funds inflow slipped 10%. The United States is now highlighting India's rapid economic growth as a key driver for deeper commercial and strategic engagement. U.S. Representative Bill Huizenga has called India one of the fastest growing major economies in the world. Speaking at a House Foreign Affairs Subcommittee hearing, he highlighted strong interest from American companies in entering the Indian market on a level playing field. He emphasized that a potential new trade deal between Trump and Prime Minister Modi could further strengthen bilateral ties and economic cooperation between the two countries. Huizenga also stressed on the wider strategic significance of the US-India partnership. He said that world's largest economy, the USA, and soon to be the third largest, India, could work together to counterbalance China and uphold a free and open Indo-Pacific. He further highlighted the broader strategic importance of US-India cooperation, emphasizing the impact of their combined economic and geopolitical power. The Netherlands is now set to take prominent role at India's upcoming AI Impact Summit. Prime Minister Dick Schoof has plans to enter India with a Dutch delegation. The Dutch ambassador to India, Marissa Gerards, has also highlighted the delegation will feature top executives including CEO of Philips alongside representatives from leading technical universities. The move signals the Netherlands' commitment to strengthening ties with India in technology sector. The ambassador also lauded India's digital leadership, particularly its innovative use of technology for social progress, describing India as a key leader within the global south. The Netherlands aims to deepen collaboration with India on critical technologies such as artificial intelligence and semiconductors. Ambassador emphasized connecting India's IITs with Dutch technical universities, fostering partnerships across government, industry and research. And India's deep ocean mission is back in headline with fresh progress. Updates on the deep-sea technology and critical minerals exploration. The Ministry of Earth Sciences has confirmed that India's first human-occupied deep-sea submersible Matsya 6000 has successfully completed wet testing and a 500-meter trial drive. This key milestone shifts the program from component testing to full system trials. Engineers have reported successful trials of the new underwater acoustic communication system, demonstrating reliable contact over several kilometers. Vertical range sea trials at depth of 1,000 to 2,000 meters are scheduled next. These tests move India closer to crewed dives under Samudrayan, which is the manned arm of mission, and the submersibles 2.1-meter titanium sphere, which is jointly developed by ISRO, has already been structurally certified to withstand about 720 bars of pressure, exceeding what it will face at a depth of 6,000 meters. The South Korean rapper and global sensation Psy, the artist behind party anthem Gangnam Style, is under police investigation in Seoul over allegations of psychotropic drugs that were obtained on his behalf without following medical protocol. And Seoul's official police has carried out a search and seizure at the offices of his agency, which is P Nation, as part of an inquiry into whether the singer violated Medical Service Act. According to the local news reports, investigators raided the agency on 4th of December, collecting evidence that could determine whether the singer used his manager or other intermediaries to secure prescription drugs illegally. The probe also involves a university hospital professor suspected of issuing the prescription without proper medical examination. The medication in question includes Xanax and Stilnox, typically used for anxiety, depression, and sleep disorders. Police allege that the singer may have obtained them without in-person consultation and with other picking them up on his behalf. The investigation is currently underway.